A woman found puppies alone on a wet and muddy road. The puppies are wet and mixed with mud. Maybe someone is throwing these puppies. The woman cleaned the puppy's body. Luckily, there was a kind woman who found this puppy. The woman brought a puppy home to be adopted. Arriving at the puppy's house was bathed. The puppy hugged a woman who saved him. The puppies are very cute and adorable. The woman gave a drinking puppy milk. Puppies now have a new family who loved him very much. Puppies have started playing in his new home. Thank you, good people.